Hey there everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your profile visibility on Robinhood. You can change your profile visibility on Robinhood by going into your account settings. So let's go ahead and do it right away. First of all, open up any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in robinhood.com and search. You'll end up in the official website for Robinhood. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From the homepage of Robinhood, go ahead and tap on the account button at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, make sure you are inside the Security and Privacy section, and from here, look for Profile Visibility. On the next page, where it says Choose who can search for you on Robinhood, select if you want to make your Robinhood profile public or private. If you choose anyone on Robinhood, anyone with a spending account can find you. If you choose no one will be able to find you by your name, username, phone number, or email. So that's how you change your profile visibility on Robinhood account. Whether you want to keep things private or share your progress with the community, the choice is yours. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.